TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day. And we got volatility in both directions right now. Markets in the green. S&P positive by 8 points, trading at 3403. Got the NASDAQ slipping just into the negative off 2 points at 11,448. The Dow holding on to gains up 61 points right now, 27,971. You got the Russell positive by about 10 points as well, 1546. Checking in on commodities. Crude catching a bid up $1.06 at 39.43. Putting this back on a 15-minute, we're up about $2 from where we were just early yesterday in crude. A half hour from right now, we'll get inventory numbers for crude as well. EIA inventories due at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Gold contract up a bit, up about $5 at $19.71. Was as high as $19.83 before a little bit of a sell-off in about the last half hour. Silver, negative 4 cents at $27.42. And notes and bonds, pretty muted action right now. You got the 10-year up 3 ticks at 139.19. You got the 30-year up 12 ticks at 176.28. And we'll jump over to the VIX this morning, that volatility index, as we see the market sell off a bit on the open. We were as low as a 24 handle briefly this morning, currently trading at 26.16 on the volatility index. So jumping around to the headlines, it's a big day of headlines. We started off with retail sales coming out an hour and a half ago. Missing the estimate, you have retail sales rising 0.6% in the month of August. The estimate was for about 1%. When you get into the core number, though, core number, getting into it, fell 0.1%, which excludes food services, car dealers, building materials stores, and gasoline. Maybe a little bit of worry. The economy could be slowing, at least towards expectations, and that was the reason why you had the S&P as high as about 34.19 at 6:45. We had it as high as about 34.13 at 8:30 a.m. this morning on that retail sales number, and you see the volatility. We sell off on the open at 9:30 down to a low of about 33.96. We've come right back to that number of where we were at 9:30 at 34.05. Jumping around to some stocks with action this morning. FedEx up about 7.7%. You got Adobe shares down now after trading higher, and all the anticipation, folks, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Chairman Powell, Fed announcement 2:30. We get a Fed press conference. Should be an interesting day in the market. Stay tuned, folks. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back in 3 minutes.